All right, y'all, so here is a quick video on what your shutter speed should be set to if you're gonna start making videos for YouTube or filmmaking or whatever you're gonna be creating. This is the standard for what your shutter speed should be. So to answer this question of what your shutter speed should be, I have to ask another question, which is, what is your frame rate set to? Because your shutter speed should be double your frame rate. Now, the standard frame rate for filmmaking and making videos is 24 frames per second. So your shutter speed should be set to 1/48. Now, not all cameras actually do shutter speeds of 1/48, so the next closest thing would be 1/50. So for example, as I'm filming right now, as we speak, I'm filming at 24 frames per second and my shutter speed is set to 1/50. So if you're shooting at 30 frames per second, your shutter would be set to 1/60. If you're shooting at 120 frames per second, your shutter would be set to 1/250. Again, that's one of those things where there's not exactly a 240, so you jump up to 1/250. And what this doubling of the frame rate actually does is it affects the motion blur to match the motion blur that we see in real life with our human eyes. Or at least that's what Google tells me. So that is the standard for what your shutter speed should be if you're getting into filmmaking or making videos for YouTube or any other type of content. Hey, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give it a like. My name is Nate. Keep telling stories, and I'll see you in the next video.